Hi everybody, Trina here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. I am wanting to do a couple of my videos to show you some journals that I've been making. This one here I've had done for a while but needed to do a video, and it has a lot of shabby chic. Tried not to do a bunch of inking, trying to do something outside my wheelhouse. I have some bits and bobbles. Paula, we did an exchange a while back and she made this, and then I just did some layering with some other shabby chic items. I did a lot of seam binding and ribbon, eyelash trim, and this is the faux leather that you can get from Hobby Lobby is what the cover is made out of. I don't have a closure on this one because it actually sits pretty nice. I did not put a closure on it. Has a tag behind the front nameplate. I did some stitching and I'll show you the inside. And I have the cardstock cover on the inside. This is 2 signatures, and they are actually held in with ribbon, so you can change them out if you want to. And I have lots of little bits and bobbles in here. So I have tags for writing on. I love these big tags. I made a little tablet. And I did a lot of edge punching. I love this paper punch. And some altered paper clips. And a lot of the envelopes and bags that you see are actually Junk That Treasures. And then I found these cards at Tuesday Mornings, and I just thought they went really well with this. This is kind of a butterfly themed journal. And I have a little jar that I put cheesecloth around the top. And this here is a giant tag, paper clipped in. That's Edith Holden. And I did a lot of cardstock that I wanted to use up some bright stuff, and I have a ton of cardstock. So, and then I have cheesecloth again tied to the paper clip. These here, I had a piece of 12 by 12 that had a bunch of butterflies, so I circle punched them out, put cheesecloth and eyelash trim behind them, and you'll see those throughout my book. And again, I tried to make it more shabby chic and not so much, I did some inking, but I tried not to do a bunch. So I wanted it to be more frilly. Some more Edith Holden, I love that. Lots of writing space. There's another one of my butterflies. I used some edge punches. This paper actually comes already with the edges ruffled. Another one of the bags. And this here was some leftover paper that I had, and then I bought these rubber stamps that are like a frame, and I just love those. They turned out really cool. Again, butterfly, and it's so bright and cheery. Some more edge punching. These are some more of the tags that I did. And lots of writing space. I like doing my journals with lots of writing space. And tuck spot with some more tags. Butterfly. Real bright. And then these here, they're good for belly bands, but I like them as bookmark tags as well. I always like the bookmark tags. And again, embellished paper clips. You can see these are belly band where you can actually tuck things behind them. Lots of writing space. Another Edith Holden tag. These here you can mat your pictures on them. glue pockets on them, envelopes on them. Here's a pocket that you can put something in. This one here is another one of the cards that I found at Tuesday Mornings. I just thought they were so pretty, and it went really good with this Shabby Chic. This here is a little booklet that I made, and lots of writing space. I just tucked it behind the flower. And originally I was going to do a different type of tie-in, so there's an extra hole there, but you really can't tell unless you're looking. Although I just told you about it. But this here is another tag. This is my favorite little card that I found at Tuesday Mornings. I just thought that was super sweet. And another one of the mason jars. Edith Holden, and another flip tag. Some more tags. And again, I tried really hard not to do a bunch of staining on this. I thought that was super cute. Another Edith Holden page that's got coffee dyed paper on the back. And the butterflies. Another one of these. I thought that was super sweet. And all those tags you can write on the backs. I thought she was cute. I had to put her in here. And this is, like I said, purely Shabby Chic. And again, I got a double pocket in the middle, and again, it's tied in with ribbon. And I actually sewed the signature together, so even though it's tied in with ribbon, the signature itself is sewed. There's another one of those belly bands made into a bookmark. And you can write on the back. And I used, you know, my inks, I used pink and blue on these instead of using the browns. This here is another one of the belly bands that you can tuck behind. Another Edith Holden. Oops. Another one of the butterflies. An extra tag. This here is just a lined little index card like thing with roses on it. I absolutely love the way those turned out. They look like little medallions. And that's the back of the second signature. This is all sewn to the leather. And again, it's all nice and tight. You can always change those out if you want to. Use the cover for something else. And a lot of this trim that I have underneath this butterfly is from Junk That Treasures. And it was just fun to play with that. This says, "Today will be a most amazing day. Amour." And I love clocks. Between dragonflies and clocks, I don't know which one I like the best. And again, this has a tag in it. But this is one of my recently made journals, and she's a Shabby Chic, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.